Hi guys, welcome to Tech World. And here with us we are on, Sosovalue is an AI, advanced AI that's being used by investors down to do their research, a cryptocurrency research a platform. So and they've done their season one and they are in season two now. So under this season two, there's an update they just dropped on Twitter, which is on February 17. So the update says that breaking news for Sosovalue, and we are officially unveiling Sosovalue utilities. Sosovalue utility. They've launched this thing before, and it's at present now it is 1 point. I think they launched it at 0.7, which people enjoy too. People really gain it a lot. You can send it to Bybit and everything. They use allocation, they use exchange like Bybit and Binance and to do all their stuff there. So under this their breaking news now, they say that they are unveiling social utilities. We are excited to celebrate this significant milestone of this social ecosystem development. Okay, starting February 25th, you can stake Soso to unlock multiple benefits within social valued ecosystem. That is, and when there is a update they bring to about, they start this social season 2 from January 25th, and they are ending it in February what 25th, which is this particular day now. So this social value now is that at on 25th of February they will be ending season 2, and that is the news that is spreading all over the internet. They will be ending season 2. So if you come to this place, so enhance your reward. If you come to enhance your reward up to 40, the means of when you are staking, when you want put your money or put your token in a particular platform, and it will be what yielding income for you, that is staking. So up to now the rate of staking, that's what they're saying now, up to 40 times in MPOS 2 POSS1 staking. Get priority access to what stochastic AI and yours own crypto research AI assistance. So what I'm bringing you now is that on 25th, staking of social value will keep starting. They've listed this thing before, they leave social value before, so and they are not going to wait, say they want to do TGE, they want to this. So the platform will be open for you to stake your token. The platform, this season two, the platform will be open for you to stake your token. That is the news. And if you have not joined Social Valley, there's still time for you to join Social Valley. There's still time, there's still maximum time for you to join Social Valley, because in season one, at those that join at the end of it, about 2 days to the end of the season one, they gain it a lot too. So I urge you, look my link in the description box to join. You can do where to join. You just have a simple task to make. Daily claim. Daily claim. So this is social value. You can look the platform now. The platform look okay, very okay. So what you do now is just a simple task they are doing. Just every day come and claim all these things. Watch a daily news, then you share on Twitter, share quote on Twitter, reply on Twitter, and like on Twitter. That is what you are doing. And every day, if you are doing it, a snapshot will be going on. Every day snapshot as you are doing activities, everyday snapshot. So make sure you connect your wallet in social value. Connect your wallet. And if your country is not eligible, if your country is not, your country code is not in their number verification, just leave it. Nothing will affect you. Let me show you in this place. They will say that personal ID, when you see it here now, you see it that my phone number, because my country, the code is not there. So, but I've connected my Google, Telegrams, Twitters, and my wallet. You make sure you connect your wallet, your Google, Twitters, and make sure that you do two factors verification for our account to be saved. This is all about social value, and the news we brought now that on 25th something will occur. Something will occur on 25th. Please still wait to join me. Please still wait to subscribe to my YouTube page, and please still wait to hit the notification bell so that anytime I post new updates, you'll be the first to be notified. And there are other links below for airdrop testnet. Please do wait to enter through them. Thank you very much. See you in my next video.